Alright guys, we're out here with the Bebop 2 for a couple of minutes. I'm just going to take it up for a little quickie. I'm going to take it up in the sport mode, then I'm going to switch it over to the other mode, to the film mode, just to see what happens. All right, guys. You see how fast it is in the sport mode, the yaw. Man, it's fast in the sport mode, I'll tell you guys. It's fast as hell. Okay, let's go and check the punch out speed on it. Let's bring it down a little bit. We got GPS lock. I didn't have a full battery when I brought it out because I flew it around in the house for a couple of minutes just to make sure it was going to work right. You know, I didn't want it to come out here and have a damn prop fucking go flying off or any shit like that. So I did that. Oh, here we got some dogs coming to take crap. That's always fun, right? Okay, we're going to test out the punch out speed in the sport mode. I would say that was pretty good. I think on Sunday I'm going to go over to drive over to the abandoned Pennsylvania Turnpike and maybe get some footage there. See, on the Sky controller it has the tilt on the controller, so that's pretty cool. On the new Sky controller anyway. So it's holding great, man. Well, anyway, I think I'm going to take this to that abandoned turnpike and see how it acts over there. Might get a little video over there, see how that goes. Okay, now, boy, it's real windy. I'm gonna switch it into the film mode. I still got 74% on the battery. The video mode it's called. So all you got to do is go into the settings like this and then go down here to the piloting and then switch it, but it won't take effect until you go back to the main screen, till you get back to this screen, and then the changes you made will take effect. Now you see how different the speed is? This is the film speed now. That's the yaw speed, I mean, in the film mode. This thing's holding pretty solid for as windy as it is. It's pretty windy out. Okay, so you see that. So that's what I want to use when I go over to the turnpike. I'll put it in the sport mode. It's nice how you can do this, these little adjustments on the fly real quick with this. It works pretty good. And then there's the pitch. You know, it's pretty tame. And it has a lot of other settings in there too, you know. So I just want to check the video quality to see what the 3-axis is looking like up here. I think we might have had somebody else roll up over there, right? Don't pay no attention to me, I'm just talking to myself. Yeah, it climbs pretty slow also. I just wanted to do a 360 on that thing. It was only about 90 feet up, I think. It comes down slow as molasses too in this filming mode. So and it's cold as hell out here too, guys, I'll tell you. I like the sport mode better, personally, so I'm going to plop it back into that. Wow. Okay, sport mode's great. Sport mode's going to be good if you want to go do like a range test or something and you want to get there quick. Okay, put it in this sport mode. And you'll be able to get there a lot quicker. Because it's pretty fast in the sport mode. I wouldn't advise doing those flips in the filming mode. But, alright guys, there's my genuine pork sosa landing pad from my buddy down there in New Mexico. Now this thing will only go down so far. I didn't try the follow me mode or nothing yet today. I'll try it next time. Maybe when I go to the turnpike. I still got 49% of battery. There's still 49% battery, and it's been filming for 9 minutes and 29 seconds. So you're looking at least 20 minutes you're going to get out of this thing. And it's 38 degrees or 37 degrees. So the flight time on this thing is going to be really, really nice. Really nice. If this video looks good, which I'm sure it'll look pretty decent, I'll be real happy with this thing, no doubt. No doubt. That's the way it lands. I mean, it doesn't do the DJI stuff where it just goes down and then raises up a little bit and then goes down a little bit. It just does the whole, it just does the whole shooting match of dropping, you know, just plop. It plops. Let's put it that way. All right, guys. Yeah, this thing is awesome. I knew it would be, you know. I knew it would be. I still got 49% of my battery. I flew it for the 9 minutes and 57 seconds was the flight time, and still got half the battery left. And now these Bebops, they don't have headless mode, which I do like to have whenever I'm doing something like I'm going to be doing this weekend. And when I go out far, I like to put the headless mode on, because that way if you lose your bearings, you know, all you got to do is pull back on the stick and it's going to come back to you, you know. So that's why I like it for that. For little bullshit around here, I don't, you know, I don't use it, but if I'm going to fly far away or anything, I usually put it on. But this thing, the Bebops don't have the headless mode, but they do have this little arrow on here. Right here. You see it flashing right there? And that'll tell you when your quad, you say you think your quad's this way and it's really way over that way. There, that little arrow will point to the where you need to push the, or point the joypad to put you to where the quadcopter is. It kind of will tell you where the quadcopter is. So it'll at least help you out with that, because you're not going to have the headless mode to just pull the stick back if you lose sight of it. So, but you can always hit the return to home too. I mean, as long as you have the height set right to where it's not going to return to some tree, you know. So, all right, guys. I give this thing a big thumbs up, you know. Gadget Inspector was right. Go watch his videos. He's got some I think 3 or 4, I think 4 nice videos on this thing. Definitely want to go check him out. And all the naysayers out there that don't like these Bebops, I love these things. I don't know why, you know. I mean, there's lemons everywhere. Everybody gets a lemon here and there, but I've never had a problem with my Bebop 1. I wrecked it one time, which was right here. And it just went a little nuts when I was getting ready to finish the flight. It just went ape shit for some reason and fell right in the mud or the sand. It didn't do any damage. I've had 50 some flights with that first Bebop. I wrecked it here. I think I wrecked it in house. Like, I've never used any of the spare props. I still got the same original props on there after, you know, the 50 some flights. Never wrecked it except for here, which I wouldn't even call this a crash. It just fell onto the ground kind of sideways. Didn't really smash into anything. And that thing is reliable. And then this thing, the first flight here, this was really good, man. I'm real happy with it. All right, guys, thanks for watching.